In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a no reply message in Outlook. This is a useful feature if you want to ensure people contacting you understand that you're not checking emails regularly, or it's an account that shouldn't receive responses. We'll walk through the steps together, making sure you can follow along and set this up within a few minutes. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Microsoft's website to log into Outlook. If you're already logged in, that's great. If not, find the sign in button and click on it. You'll need to enter your credentials to access your Outlook account. Once logged in, navigate to your mail by selecting the mail option, which should bring you right into your inbox. Now that we're in Outlook, we need to locate the settings. In the top right corner of your Outlook window, there's a gear icon representing settings. Click on this icon to open the settings menu. This is where we'll find the options we need to set up an automatic no reply message. In the settings menu, look for an option labeled account. Clicking on this takes us to another set of options specific to managing your account. Here, you'll find an option called automatic replies. Go ahead and click on that. With automatic replies, you can configure responses to be sent automatically whenever someone emails you. To begin, you need to turn on automatic replies. You'll likely see an on-off toggle at the top of this settings page, so switch it to on. Next, it's time to compose your no reply message. This message will be sent to anyone who emails you, so make sure it clearly states that you're not checking this inbox or that it's an automated account. Think about what you'd like to say and craft a message that is polite and informative. Finally, after you've written your no reply message, look around the page for a save or save changes button. It's important to save your settings to ensure your new message is activated and ready to go. Click save and your no reply message should now be all set up. And there you have it. You've successfully configured a no reply message in Outlook. This feature is especially helpful for managing expectations and limiting responses to an unmonitored account. I hope you found this tutorial straightforward and easy to follow. If you need to tweak your message or deactivate it in the future, just return to the automatic replies section within your settings. Thanks for watching and have a great day.